The pH of a 0.02 molar solution of an unknown weak base is 8.1. What is the pKb? So first, take note of what's given to us. We have a concentration and a pH. Since the base is unknown, we can say that xy yields to x plus y. And we know that the pH is 8.1, so we can solve for pOH. We can use this formula to do this. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. 14 minus 8.1 will give us the value of pOH. Therefore, pOH is equal to 5.9. Now that we have solved for our pOH, we can use that value to find our molar concentration. Therefore, we would use 10 raised to the negative pOH, which in this case is 5.9, would give us a molar concentration of 1.26 times 10 to the negative 6. So now we have two concentrations. This is very beneficial for our problem. And we can actually move down to the chemical equation that I wrote down earlier. xy yields to x plus y. X plus y we solved for already, which is this concentration, 1.26 times 10 to the negative 6. And our xy concentration was already given to us in our question. But we can neglect this 1.26 times 10 to the negative 6 because it is so small. Therefore, we have 0.02 molar on this side of the equation and 1.26 times 10 to the negative 6 squared on this side of the equation. Now we go back to our formula. Kb is equal to products over reactants. It is always important to remember this because when in doubt, you just plug in your values. Kb should be equal to xy over xy. So we have our products and our reactants. So we have 1.26 times 10 to the negative 6 squared over 0.02 molar. Remember that this 0.02 molar was given in the question and we solved for 1.26 times 10 to the negative 6. We can now solve our equation and find pKb. So 1.26 times 10 to the negative 6 squared over 0.02 is equal to 7.94 times 10 to the negative 11. Now we have our pKb value, but we need to find our actual pKb value by doing pKb is equal to negative log of Kb. This is our Kb value. So we would do negative log of 7.94 times 10 to the negative 11. So once we do this, we find that our final pKb is equal to 10.1. Remember that when we are talking about pKb, we are talking about bases.